Good morning, thanks for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, September 26th. You're seeing a little bit of some lower cloudiness out there this morning as we get some moisture and train in the south-southwesterly flow that has developed. These low clouds are expected to burn off as we go towards lunchtime today, and then we'll see things warm up pretty quickly into the mid-80s as we go into the afternoon hours. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, just have some weak high pressure still over the area earlier this morning. We do have a weak front approaching from the west, currently over the Appalachians. That'll continue to march eastward as we go throughout the day today. We should be getting some sunshine as we go towards this afternoon, helping to give us temperatures in the mid-80s. Also got that increased moisture across the area, and although that front will be weakening, still looks like we're going to get a 20% chance of an isolated shower as we go towards the late evening hours, mainly between about 8 p.m. and midnight. Looks to be our best chance to see some shower activity with that frontal passage, but only looking around a 20 to perhaps 25% chance as we go later into the day. Briefly looking at our upper level winds this morning, seeing southwesterly winds up from the surface up to about 3,000 feet, running around 15 to 20 knots just above the surface. Then seeing those winds shift a little bit more zonal, only running around 10 to 20 knots between 6 and 12,000 feet, increasing to 45 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level this morning just above 14,000 feet. Take a quick look at our satellite this morning. We do have this strip of low clouds that has developed along the tidewater and across portions of North Carolina, stretching all the way up through southern and central portions of Delmarva this morning. It does look like that's starting to finally dissipate as we go just to the west of the region, and it looks like it's dissipating a bit across just south of Wallops too. So we can anticipate a decrease in this cloudiness as we go towards the next hour or two, and then by lunchtime seeing some more sunshine, which will help bump those temperatures up into the mid-80s. So we are expecting a temperature today of around 86 degrees this afternoon. Winds will be from the south-southwest around 8 to 13 knots late this morning and throughout much of the day before becoming variable with that frontal passage. We are going to be seeing that slight chance of a isolated shower. Can't rule out a chance of a thunderstorm as well. Looks like only around a 10 to 15% chance of seeing a thunderstorm if we get in any showers with that frontal passage today. And then any rain chances will be moved out of here by midnight at the latest. Seeing those winds then turn more northerly behind that, and that'll help to usher in some cooler air, only seeing those temperatures up into the mid-70s as we go into tomorrow. Expecting winds northeasterly at 6 to 11 knots by mid-morning tomorrow, with a low down to about 66 degrees. Going to continue to see overcast skies near about 1,500 feet for the next hour or two, becoming broken, and then as we go into early afternoon hours, going to be seeing a few scattered clouds at 2 to 2,500 feet with some mid-level clouds and a little bit of upper-level cirrus. That'll continue throughout much of the workday. Then tonight, seeing those ceilings drop down around 6,000 feet in any shower activity, and we'll see clouds then decrease again as we go towards the pre-dawn hours of Friday, becoming few at 2,500, few at 7,500, and scattered at 25,000 feet. Seeing tides just 1/2 foot above normal this morning across the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a quick look at some model charts here. Let's take a quick look at our short-term model just to show you how we might see those showers progress. Here's this front going to be sparking off some showers early this afternoon near our nation's capital, and then those showers will continue to move eastward, approaching our area near about to 8 p.m., and that's when we're going to see that slight chance of a shower or two. That front could just stall out and linger for a couple hours, which will continue our shower chances through about midnight before that front then gets washed out and we start to see a little bit more drier air moving in tomorrow, and we'll see those clouds slowly decrease as we go throughout the dawn hours of Friday. Taking a look at the longer range here as we go throughout today. This is tomorrow morning. We're going to have high pressure building behind that front, and that'll give us a little bit of a cooler weather as we get a little bit of onshore flow tomorrow, helping to keep our temperatures into the mid to perhaps upper 70s, and also helping to keep things dry for tomorrow. As we go into the weekend, high pressure is going to move east of the area. That'll help to shift those winds a little more southerly, bumping our temperatures back up into the around 80 degrees or so for the weekend. Going to be seeing some more moisture get into the area, as well as a little bit of upper level energy associated with an approaching front well to the west. That could possibly give us just a 10% chance of an isolated pop-up shower Saturday. Doesn't look very likely. Most likely just going to be seeing an uptick in cloudiness for Saturday with that temperature near 80. Then as we go into Sunday, that front is going to approach the area. That's going to give us a little bit of a higher chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm popping up throughout the day on Sunday. It looks like that could happen pretty much any time during the day on Sunday. And then we're going to be seeing some high pressure building in once again to start our work week next week, and continuing our dry spell through at least the first few days of next week. So not looking like any great rain chances for the next 7 days. So taking a look at an overview of our 7-day forecast, going to be seeing that 20% chance of a shower as we go into this evening, high of 86 expected today. Tomorrow is going to be cooler as we have some high pressure building north of the area, giving us a little bit of onshore flow, helping to cap those temperatures out into the mid-70s under partly cloudy skies. As we go into the weekend, we're going to see high pressure move east to the area, helping to turn those winds a little more southerly. That'll bump our temperatures up into the low 80s. Going to be seeing a little bit of an uptick in cloudiness Saturday with just a slight chance of an isolated shower, only about a 10% chance, so looking unlikely. And then Sunday, going to be seeing similar temperatures to Saturday with perhaps a slightly higher chance of an isolated shower or storm, as we see about 15 to 20% chance of something popping up on Sunday. Then as we go into the beginning of next week, we'll be seeing a broad area of high pressure start develop over the mid-Atlantic region. That'll help to keep things dry and fairly seasonable for the first 2 days. Temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s from Monday into Tuesday. Then Wednesday looks like we're going to get some good southwesterly flow developing. That should help to really warm things up, but remaining dry for Wednesday, expecting that high into the mid-80s. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.